Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show multiple pages in Word side by side. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Microsoft Word and here I have a document in which only one page is currently displayed. To change this I switch to the View tab and in the group Zoom I find one page and multiple pages. If I now click on multiple pages, I immediately can see 3 pages. Whether this is 2, 3 or more pages depends on the zoom of my current document. If I press the Ctrl key and scroll into the document with the mouse wheel, we see that only 2 pages are now displayed next to each other. And if you scroll further in, then I only have 1 page. This setting for multiple pages is therefore more of a dynamic setting that always shows me as many pages as the current zoom of my document allows. If I zoom out completely, we will see that all 3 pages are now displayed. And it would be even more if I had more pages in this document. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.